Welcome to the Business Process Operation Simulation game. Here you can experience excellent enterprise education. Okay, now let's get it on. Let's experience the game. Before we start the game, some information in advance. It's kind of like if we test the game for the first time, it's about understanding the business processes, what is going on. Try to visualize the processes, for example, using an EPK diagram. Try to just like order products from your supplier, try to produce something, try to find out where kind of like the difficulties, deliver the products to your customer, and just like try to get into the game itself. If you already have time, you can try to connect to the database and develop some initial tools, for example, using the product tree and the production times, which can be found in the game information on the make button. For example, to have more idea on how many products can be produced within that 60 seconds. So the login information, the URL is BPOS E4 s.games. The instructor is going to share the password for the CEO, and then the CEO is responsible for the team, kind of like to create the different roles from source, make, and deliver. And this is going to result in new passwords for the source, make, and deliver function, and then the CEO can share this data. The login data changes during the test game, so we will always reset the games as we're going to play the test games. If we have kind of like the game days, the login data will not going to change anymore. The user interface is developed for tablets and for computers, so it's not really good if you use, for example, a smartphone. That's the screen is probably too small on that. So use either a tablet or a computer to play the game. In case the round time does not continue, there might be two issues on that. One is that kind of like you have, for example, too many programs, applications in the background running that have connection to the internet, or your internet connection itself is too not fast enough. So then either probably it's the best to close the programs running in the background, or just use a different browser. Normally all browsers on the market should work for the game. If nothing helps, I told you earlier that we have the report a problem button. So just report the problem and we'll see what we can do. Also, please just like go to your instructor and ask him to help you.